Whether you are an influencer, blogger, YouTuber, EPUB writer, or digital marketer, or plan to write for Amazon Kindle, content is required everywhere. Content plays a very important role in your success. It must be powerful. If you don't have powerful content, then you are not able to achieve that amount of success. Your efforts may be diminished if you are not able to create powerful content. If you would like to improve your writing style and implement those practices right away to get immediate results, then this course is for you. If you would like to get the reader's attention, or if you are a beginner and not able to find from where I need to start, then without a doubt this course for you. Or whether you are in this field for a long time and not able to achieve that amount of success, what you have expected, then you can take this course. It's my promise to you, I will show practical tips to get the best out of you. Throughout the course, I will show you different kinds of tricks and tips to write high competitive content. I will teach you how to accomplish any goal which you have decided for you on this journey. Now who am I to teach you all these things? From the past decade, I have written thousands of online as well as offline content for my clients. Most of them are already top in their niches. During this time, I got lots of opportunity to work with different kinds of people, which was very learning as well as enjoyable journey. I will show you the best practices to get the best out of your niches. And after this, you will achieve more than what you believe. Thank you for watching it. Hope to see you inside.